Yo, what up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a new steering wheel setup for Narin's EK Coupe and also installing his window visors. So he got a Nardi steering wheel and the NRG, what is this, the Gen 3?
I don't know.
I think it's the Gen 3 or Gen 4 because it has the side quick release thingies, I forgot what it's called. And also a hub for his car, and we're going to be installing it today, but he's installing the quick release right now. But
the Nardi didn't come with any screws for the steering wheel, so we had to stop by 1320, and I got this.
Yeah, he got the EK9 Type R Honda badge from 1320 Performance in Elk Grove, so check them out. They got some good prices for all their parts.
Yeah, and for the Nardi, you don't have to put this for the quick release.
Yeah,
because it already has one built in. And what you need to do is just put it from the bottom first, and there's a little pin right here, and there's also a pin right here, if you can see that. Yeah, so you push that in, and you
it should clip on. I mean,
yep,
like,
it should clip in once you get the pins pushed in. And there we go. Finished.
There we go. He hooked up the connectors already, and I think he's gonna install the horn, maybe if it's not too hard.
Yep, and
so this is the window visors that I showed in my last video. He got it from eBay. It still works and everything. It's gonna make his car look way nicer than before. And this Nardi steering wheel feels so much better than the OEM steering wheel.
Way better. And
the looks are way better also.
I like it way better than the NRG steering wheel too.
Yeah. The NRG one is just, you know, cheap and affordable. That's why I got it, because I ain't gonna spend too much money on the steering wheel yet.
So now we just take these outside.
Yeah, these are for the car. So you put the hub first and then the quick release. And I'll see you guys outside.
Maybe when it cools down a bit though.
Yeah, later on today when it cools down, because it's too hot right now. And also, I think he wants to do it in the garage, so I gotta pull my car out too. Yeah, I'll see you guys whenever we work on his car. Alright guys, so Narin got the window visors on both sides. He didn't use the clips because it wasn't working right, so he just used the 3M tape that it came with. But it still works the same and it looks nice. It's not like a perfect fit, but it still looks nice from far away because, you know, it's just a budget window visor, not like the real brand name kind. But you know, it still works the same and it kind of looks nice at the same time. But now we're finna work on the steering wheel and put in the Nardi steering wheel and the quick release and the hub. So Narin's trying to take off the top plastics and the bottom plastics, and then we can start taking off the airbag and the steering wheel. Then put in the hub, the quick release, and then that's it. But comment down below on what you guys think about Narin's new steering wheel. I think the Nardi looks pretty nice. That's the one I really wanted, but I don't really have the money for it, and I didn't want to spend that much money yet on a steering wheel. So I just got the NRG wood grain steering wheel. But maybe in the future I'll upgrade to a different steering wheel. That's later down the road. I don't really need it right now. I need other stuff for now. So stay tuned for our future videos. We made some progress on our cars. I'm really happy about it. We're doing everything pretty slowly, but we're gonna have big plans for Narin's car, so stay tuned.
This is the C4.
Okay, yeah, we gotta check out these stuff. Alright, almost got the airbag out.
Right. This one is gonna be the push and pull situation.
We're one step closer to putting on this NRG steering wheel. I mean the Nardi. hella clean. And it matches the SI cluster also.
Fuck. These small hands.
Oh yeah, also, we're gonna be installing the red Honda badge. We got it for a good price at $13.20 performance, so check them out.
And it's a genuine Honda badge too.
Yeah, it's the genuine Honda badge, so it's real, not the fake ones, okay?
Take out these.
Alright, finally got it out.
We got the C4 out. Now we just, here, put this on the ground gently outside.
Oh my god, you freaking scared me. Okay.
Alright, now we get a nut for this.
Take off that, yeah. Ew.
Look at that shit.
Like, it's disgusting.
So we got it loose, we had to use this.
Yeah, finally, took heck long.
Yep.
And we're gonna have to reuse that once we put the hub in.
Yep.
We just gotta take off all those screws, see if we could take it off. Take off the steering wheel. Finally.
Was a bitch.
Oh my god, it took you like what, 10 minutes?
Yeah,
almost 10 minutes. Look. Yeah.
Ew, look at this here.
Ew.
Take this out.
Okay, now we could install the hub. I took enough the screws so we could take this off because the hub won't fit if we don't take it off. So there's like 4 screws holding it, and then I think we need to take off those wires and stuff. Cars with airbags are harder to put in an aftermarket steering wheel.
There we go.
Okay.
Now we just gotta take this bullshit.
Now we just disconnected. There was a tab holding up the yellow wire, so now we could just unclip it. And Narin's trying to do that right now. Damn. Yeah, disconnect more stuff. No, I don't think he's gonna be able to use his horn. Okay, there you go. Fine.
Unclip and pull it out.
Pull out all those freaking wires or whatever. There we go. Finally. Finally, we can put on the hub.
No, hell no.
That's the wrong way, man. It's like this. You gotta make sure that gold is on the top. That gold screw.
Yours was hella fast and easy.
I know. Because I didn't have no airbag and all those wires. Okay, finally got the hub on. And then now we could finally put on this.
And since my horn or nothing works, I could just put it on.
Yeah. Alright y'all, putting on the other end of the quick release. Tightening it up now. Then we could put on the steering wheel. Dang, I'm excited for him, even though it's not my car. It's gonna look so clean now. Alright y'all, Narin got the red Honda badge on now. Now we're gonna take it out for a drive with the new steering wheel. Alright y'all, first time putting on a steering wheel.
So my SRS, my SRS light is on because my airbags are gone.
Yeah, but it's alright.
Then we just...
There we go, it's in.
Perfect.
Took it out for a little drive.
Just to take it out.
Damn. Looks so clean.
Smooth. But it's off.
It's kind of off.
It's way off.
Yeah, like it actually is though.
But I'll tweak it when we get back.
Yeah, we won't show you guys messing with it because it's just the same process over. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear my dad. Happy birthday to you.
I had to swallow my food. Oh, make a wish. Oh, yeah.
We're out here today. We're about to go for a little cruise. One of the homie came with his little EF. Had a clean though. Niggas in his Integra. Alright, taking off right now. so we lost Nicholas, and right now me and the homie and stuff, we just out here waiting for him. He's smoking, man. Look at that. EF. You got an Instagram, fool? You got an Instagram?
Nope.
Need to make one. Well, we still don't see him, and he ain't picking up his phone calls either. So we'll be right back. We're right next door to him, so I'm gonna pull up on him right now. Fuck this shit right there.
Comment down below what you guys think about Narin's new steering wheel setup. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. And stay tuned for our future